Welcome back to my channel. Alright, I had a couple of people ask me how to do the AI video, so I'm going to do a walkthrough on how to do the AI video. So, this is my cross-listing app that you guys are seeing right now. So this one is for if you want to cross-list to multiple platforms. So like if you saw on Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, Grilled, Etsy, whatnot, you have Shopify, and there's a couple other ones that they also go to, but this is just specifically how to do the videos, so that's why I'm in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of the front of the item that you want to make a video of. You're going to take a picture of the tag and the tags that you want, if you specifically want it to do it. The reason why I do the tags also is because the way I have my chat GPT set up. But basically all that you need is the one picture of the front of the item, and that's it. So just this one right here. That's all you need. Then you go to chat GPT and you want it to create a model image of that item. So you want to create an image of somebody wearing that item. So in your chat GPT, you'll create your own section, or you can do like me. I have my own prompts that automatically prompt up. But what you'll do is you'll ask it to model your image. So then it will take your 3 images that you uploaded, your 3 images or your 1 image, and it'll take it and it will model it on a model for you. So then you're going to download that image by hitting this download button, and if it's not a bathing suit, underwear, or a child, you can use right here to the left, it says Sora. You can use this. If it is any of those ones, you cannot, because it's against the terms and conditions of Sora. So I'm going to click on Sora so you guys can see it. So it'll automatically upload, and then once it uploads, you'll have, this is what it'll look like when it uploads. You'll see down here it says videos. If you click on this, you can do videos or images. The reason why we're doing a video is because we already have the image that we want. So you'll hit the plus, you'll add the image that you want, and I've already done this a couple times thinking it was recording and it wasn't. So you add whatever image you want to add. I've done it so many times with this pair of basketball shorts, it's not even funny anymore. And you type in whatever you want it to do. I usually just do add movement, because that's all we really want is the movement. You can change the rotation of the size, so depending on if you're on your Shopify and you wanted a different size, or you want it for Instagram, or you want it for YouTube because you're doing a complete video and you're cutting and pasting it together. If you're doing Poshmark, Mercari, or not Mercari, Mercari doesn't have it, Poshmark, Depop, whatnot, and Instagram, your shorts, you can use the 2.3 or the 9.6. Either one of those work. You can change the resolution from the 480 to 720, which is a slower, 4 times slower. But then you don't get the 10 seconds. You only get 5 seconds. So that's why I keep mine at 480, because I want to be able to do a 10-second video. So that way, because Poshmark allows 15 seconds, and I want as close to that 15 seconds as possible. You can also change it so it does 1 video at a time, 2 or 4. I usually do 2, just so I can see which one I like better. And then you just hit this little arrow up here, and it'll create it. And you'll see right here at this corner where the little bell, it says add to quarantine. So if you want to do other things while this is generating, you can leave it on My Media, which is where all your images are going to generate. Now, because we're specifically doing a bathing suit, this is the one that you're going to want to use for a bathing suit, child, or any kind of underwear. It's called Vera, Veer, and you're literally, this one's free, so you're going to upload your image. And again, you can do any of your images. I just specifically only do the ones that won't allow, because this one only does 5 seconds. You can't do any different. I've played with every single one of these buttons to try and get it to go longer, and it won't do it, and I don't know why. It just won't. You can't even get this to change at all. So this is how it says video dimension 780p. You can't even change it. So you're going to hit generate once your video is in there, your image, because it prompted this basic image. It filled that in, and this is already filled in for you. You can change this if you want to. It's all up to you what you want it to say. It's just easier if you do that, because then what I usually do is while this is running, I go back to my cross-lister and I'm adding that photo that I just got from the chat, and I'm literally just going bloop, or that's the, I just add it over there, bloop, like that, and then I'm moving this over here, and then I go, okay, is Soul ready? Nope, it's not ready. Okay, is Vero ready? Nope, it's not ready. And then I continue doing what I need to do. Usually I get all the way down to the very bottom of this. I usually get like all my Poshmark, Depop, and whatnot stuff filled in before either one of these are done loading. And then all that I'm waiting for is the video. So as soon as the video is done, I download it and I pop it in. See, it's still not even done. Neither one of them. This one, this is what it looks like for you, so you know it's done. You've got the still image, and then you've got the moving image right on the outside of it. So when you download it, you're not going to get the still image in the corner. You just get this image here, and that's it. But sometimes it takes a minute. I'm not going to lie, it does. And that goes for all of them. You can see they're still, both of them are still just running. That's why I usually go back to my cross-lister and I start filling out everything else I need to, because usually by the time I'm done filling out all of this, Sora's ready or the vid is ready. See, now the vid is ready. So now it's done. There's the image. You just click download right here, or trash it if you want to trash it. That's it. And once you've done it, you've downloaded it, you're all good. You go back to your wherever you want to put the image in. If you're just working on Poshmark, you can put it straight into Poshmark, and then you just add the image into your listing. So there it is. Now I've got it. Now if I was going to keep this one, I could literally keep it and be done with it. Let's see if the basketball one, the shorts are done. There's the shorts. So he's now done. I have like 7 of these now. But you can see this one does keep the image, the watermark, and I don't think this one has a watermark. Yeah, this one doesn't have a watermark. So that's kind of why I like the Vero better, because it doesn't have a watermark, but at the same time you've got a smaller and slower image because it's only 4 seconds compared to the 10 seconds. So see, we're already almost done, and it's done. So, but at least it gives a image of the item that you want to sell. So, and then you got content or whatever else you want. So there you go. I hope that helps you out. Remember, like and subscribe, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys like it, and once you subscribe, I will be making more videos, and you guys will see more AI videos and everything else.